From instant cart cleaner to GPS tracker, which can be a very useful gadget when you are lost, we have plenty of options for you today to upgrade your ride and enhance your driving experience on the road. Octeso Bluetooth FM transmitter. Kicking this off is a must for our old school and in-dash cigarette lighter. The Octeso Bluetooth FM transmitter is capable of charging your phone up to 4 times faster than your average charger. In addition to that, it provides crystal clear audio quality for streaming your favorite songs on the road. Plus, thanks to the seamless compatibility with Siri and Google Assistant, the voltage detecting adapter also keeps things hands-free to leave you driving undeterred. Bluetooth connection. Turn on the Bluetooth of your device, search BH347 and connect it. Or you can directly play music via U-Disc. Arsvita Bluetooth cassette receiver. Whether you are driving around in an objectified classic or something a bit dated in a less desirable fashion, a Bluetooth cassette receiver is sure to come in handy. While there are many on the market, Arsvita has got you covered with seamless adaptability and up to 8 hours of playback in a single charge, allowing you to stream multiple albums worth of music with the utmost ease. Plus, the gadget is automated to enter sleep mode after 5 minutes of being disconnected from any device, keeping its own battery life in mind. Landairsea 54 GPS tracker. While you need to know where your keys are at all times, the same applies to your car itself. Landairsea's 54 GPS tracker is capable of being attached to any vehicle and tracking it in real time, courtesy of Google Maps. Whether you're a concerned parent looking for your household's newly licensed driver, a warehouse manager tirelessly anticipating the next delivery, or stranded in a parking lot in search of your own vehicle, this discreet plug-and-play device has your back. The Landairsea 54 real-time 4G LTE GPS telematic device helps you keep up to date on your most important assets. Featuring compact waterproof design with a built-in super strength magnet, the GPS tracker is small enough to attach to vehicles or tuck in pockets, purses, bags, and backpacks. Receive text and email alerts, track the device's location on a map, and view historical playbacks. The easy-to-use GPS tracker gives you multiple methods to stay in the know wherever it is located. Battery life depends on location of unit, access to cellular and GPS signal, refresh rate, temperature, and age of Landairsea asset tracker. Wolfbox 12-inch mirror dash cam. Whether you're an Uber driver or simply prefer the high-tech version of everything, this motorized mirror dash cam is the perfect replacement for your old-school rear view. In addition to catching front and rear footage in 1080p, it provides an improved view at night thanks to its built-in Sony StarViz sensor, capable of capturing anything no matter what time you're on the road. Measuring in at an impressive 12 inches wide, Wolfbox guarantees that you'll have no issues backing up into any parking spot, thanks to its hybrid dash cam and mirror. The length of the rear camera original cable is 20 feet, suitable for most types of cars. We also have 50 feet rear camera extension cables, ASIN B0814ZHHST, sold separately. When using the parking monitoring function, please select the time-lapse recording mode. Otherwise, the drive recorder will quickly drain your car battery. Please format microSD card terminally in case of locked videos occupied much capacity. Release them necessarily. If you use a microSD card capacity 32 GB, please change the microSD card, class 10 MB per second, required. Format to FAT32 on PC. A 32 GB card is included in the package. Garmin Dash Cam 66W. With no shortage of mapping gadgets to download on your smartphone, there's not much of a need for a dash-mounted Garmin GPS anymore, so the renowned manufacturer's top-notch dash cam will suffice. The 66W device can capture television-quality 1440p footage and can even take advantage of low-light situations thanks to the tech company's patented Garmin Clarity HDR tech. In addition, this sleek dashcam offers a wildly wide 180-degree field of view, all the while remaining conveniently compact. Lastly, its driver alert feature lets you keep track of your surroundings for added precaution, be it whether you're driving out of your lane or letting you know of a potential collision ahead. Morec 32-amp EV charger. With gas prices likely soaring wherever you are, there is all the more reason to make the shift to electric vehicles. While you may consider an EV in its entirety to be one of the best car gadgets, they lie in a pantheon of their own, but you'd be remiss to buy one for yourself without nabbing a portable charger along with it. Morec claims that its IP66 rated 32 amp option can juice up your eco-friendly car up to 6 times as fast as any other EV chargers you've used, making it a great choice if you're in a rush to get back on the road. Iceco JP30 Portable Fridge and Freezer. Your next road trip will surely benefit from the JP30. Iceco's portable hybrid fridge and freezer offers adjustable temperatures between -7 and 50 degrees Fahrenheit, so all your snacks and drinks are sure to be kept cool as you'd like. It is operated by an eco-friendly automated Danfoss compressor, so it even turns itself off when you're not putting it to use. Lastly, seeing as this is intended for long rides, the JP30 is even capable of working normally at a tilt of 40 degrees, deeming it an impressively rugged piece of equipment built for the long haul. Valentine V1 Gen 2 Radar Detector. Implementing a brand new format to its world-renowned security unit, Valentine 1 continues to do what it knows best, and that's crafting unrivaled radar detectors. Garnering inspiration from traditional, military-grade chirp radars, the V1 Gen 2 is the first using K-Verifier tech, improving resistance to blind spot detection. If you consider yourself a speed demon or have been told by any buddies of yours to slow down at any point, then this will be a perfect pickup for you. The only way to extend range is to detect even weaker signals. Think of LNA as a signal magnifier. LNA has another benefit. It acts as a one-way valve, trapping LO output before it escapes V1 Gen 2's magnesium case. That's the key to stealth. V1 Gen 2 is practically undetectable. Reviver Rplate. Aside from the occasional Snoopy embellishments or crudely drawn field of flowers we often see on license plates, the customization options are limited, aside from selecting a mere 7 characters for some cryptic vanity plate at your local DMV. Luckily, Reviver is made up of a band of gadgeteers who are tired of this creative box. The manufacturer's digital Rplate is capable of changing your humdrum license plate's plain appearance to something a bit more interesting. In addition, drivers don't have to worry about going through the strenuous process of renewing their registration thanks to Reviver's handy app that lets them do so at the push of a button whenever the time comes. Dyson's V6 Car and Boat. Combining Dyson's powerful Cyclone technology with accessories specifically designed to clean your car, this one is a no-brainer if you're always cursing at stray dog hair and crumbs in the back seat. From the crevice tool to the mini motorized tool for picking up dog hair, this small but light hoover is versatile and offers up to 20 minutes of charge, so you can quickly clean your car without forking out any extra at the local hand car wash.